Another quality listing by Sabella Realty. Come see this cozy and cute 1-bedroom 1.5 bath condominium with laundry in unit. Located on the second floor with vaulted ceilings. Remodeled kitchen and bathrooms. Sliders in the living room and bedroom that lead to our balcony. Just a few steps away you will find the lovely community pool to relax by, along with the 24 hours availability fitness center and sauna. Clubhouse room with kitchen available to residents for gatherings and private parties. Located conveniently, just blocks away from shopping, dining and entertainment. I-75 and RSW Airport is just a few blocks away. Perfect for snowbird living or year-round residents. Poly B piping replaced, a $3,000 savings. New hot water tank.